Yeah, we try to catch the train. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Have to run, we have to run. Oh, the train is coming. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
We are at the BTS Krung Thon Buri Station. And we want to see the new Gold Line.
Yay, going to Icon Siam.
Yeah, because a few days before they opened a new line like BTS, so that we can reach the Icon Siam shopping mall directly. Because before to reach this shopping mall, we could use the free shuttle bus from Krung Thon Buri. So here we have a free shuttle bus to Icon Siam, and now we have the new one, Skytrain Gold Line. So let's see what it's about.
Yeah.
Because it's first time for us also. We never went to Icon Siam by train here. So let's discover together.
Yay.
Okay, so I guess we have to get out first. You have to put inside. Okay, so they...
I'm not sure we can buy the tickets here or...
No, I think they said it was exit free.
Oh, okay.
So I think we should go out first, I guess.
Okay.
And from there we can buy tickets to Icon Siam, I think. Oh yeah, we can. Big one. We can see everywhere. Skytrain, Gold Line.
Follow the indication.
Yeah, because usually when we go to Icon Siam, we take the free shuttle boat from Saphan Taksin.
They already put the
Okay,
Skytrain.
so this is new. Because before we didn't have this kind of platform.
Oh.
And okay, so here we can buy, I think.
Okay, I'm going to buy it.
Okay. Okay, so I guess this is some information about the new one.
It's free, guys.
Ah, it's free.
Yeah, but I don't know till when.
Okay. It's nice. So it's free.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's new.
Everything is new. Okay.
So it's new, all new, and okay. We can take a lazy guy. Yeah, so it's free. I think it's because they opened it just some days before, and they want to attract.
I'm not sure, but I think it's free for December. Only for December.
Okay. Yeah, so if you're in Bangkok already, you can take this advantage to come here and see. Oh, so
It's not too big, huh?
yeah, it's quite. The platform is quite small, but maybe because maybe the train is small as well.
Yeah,
I'm not sure, but oh yeah, let's see the map. Okay, so we are on the Gold Line to Krung Thon. Then they add here. So let's wait for the new station, new train. Okay, let's see if we can.
the train. Hey, run.
Yeah, we try to catch the train. Oh, it's coming! It's coming! Have to run! We have to run! Ah, the train is coming! I think it's this one.
Oh, this is
So
the
this is the BTS. So this, I think it's the Yeah, the normal one.
Yeah.
And this, I don't know if you can see it, but it's the new one. So the gold train, I guess. And wow, it's coming. So it's different actually. It's different from the usual train. Ah yes, and this one, it's without a driver. So it's automatic
Oh really?
train, yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, you can see it. Oh, there's few people, isn't it?
Oh, there are wheels.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's brand new.
Yeah, it's nice. So, yeah, it's quite small. It's like
It's like, you know, in the airport, the
yeah,
shuttle.
yeah, it's like the airport shuttle actually. So
It's kind of
there is like only two trains and
Hello.
okay, so we have two stations.
Nice, nice. Hey, it's Icon Siam over there. Is it? No, it's not?
Ah yes, we already reached Iconsiam. Not sure. Yeah, so we already arrived at Iconsiam, and if we want to go here, it's because we want to see a Christmas decoration. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so it was because we wanted to see the new Gold Line, but it was also
You can stay here a little bit, waiting
yes.
for the train leaving the station.
yeah. But I don't know if he go this way or
The other one?
he will go back.
No, he's going to Krung Thon. So he's going this way. Yay, bye-bye. Go train.
Okay, so we are at
Charoen
we are
Nakhon.
actually at Charoen Nakhon. Okay, so where is Krung Thon?
The next station.
I thought that it was Krung Thon, Iconsiam. Okay, so we can see Icon Siam just there, opposite side. Okay, and we want to see also the Christmas decoration here at Icon Siam to see how it looks like. Because we already did some videos also other tours about
Yeah, true.
Christmas
Yeah.
decoration.
We did it one at South Road,
Yes.
even one at M Quartier.
Culture. And one at where already? San Paragon. And okay, so we are here. Okay, so we are directly here at the entrance of Icon Siam.
Yeah.
And it's a new entrance. So yeah, it's nice.
It's pretty.
Yeah, so now it's really easy to come here to Icon Siam with the BTS.
Really convenient.
Yeah.
And quick.
Yeah.
From Krung Thon Buri.
Yeah, it's nice. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you like it, click the button and subscribe to this channel to see other videos, and see you on the next one.